face this type of issue? Like you really want to speak in English fluently, but you don't feel confident in English. You feel hesitation, you feel fumble while speaking English. You have a lots of ideas in your mind, but you are not capable to express those ideas in English. Why it is happening with you? The biggest reason behind this problem is lack of practice. Yes, you heard right, lack of practice. More a person speaks in English, so the better he become fluent in English. But because of this reason, lack of practice, you are not able to speak in English fluently in front of the public. I have a solution for your problem. Jai Sri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Deeta. So friends, in this video I am going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application, you can easily improve your English fluency. You will be master in English within few months. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the application which I am going to share with you in this video name is CB. Yes, I have made so many videos on this application, but again I'm going to show you how to use this application because this is the best application. And yes, there are few new subscribers. So for the new subscriber, again I'm going to show you how to use this application CB. So for this, what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write CB. Actually, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just open this application in front of you. You can see this is the home page of this application. Okay, so yes, there are two features. For first is talk to real person and second is talk to Arya. When I touch talk to Arya, so yes, it will demand some money. I mean to say you have to take paid membership. You have to give some money for doing conversation with AI tutor. Now I'm going to touch practice with a real person because this feature is free and cost. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do conversation with this feature. So yes, practice now. And yes, it is connecting. You can see it is connecting. Okay. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And what's your name? Actually here your name shows Suman.
Yeah, actually my name is Kishore.
Okay.
It's my friend's name.
Okay, it's your friend's name, Suman. I think that there is a girl.
Oh, no.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to say good evening. Actually, it's evening time. So how are you, Suman? Oh, sorry, forget her name.
Actually, my name is Kishore. It's my friend's account. He got premium in this one.
Okay, got premium. Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I'm also using this application.
Okay. So how are you?
Yeah, I am good. And what about you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. And tell me about yourself. Are you a student or working professional?
Actually, I'm a student. I'm recently graduated in 2024.
2024, wow.
Currently, I'm studying a course on embedded systems in Vector India Institute at Hyderabad.
At Hyderabad?
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, I forget to ask, where are you from?
Actually, I never told. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, district Jhansi.
Okay.
And I am a teacher by profession.
Oh, which subject you teach?
Actually, I am a basic teacher, so I have to teach all the subjects that is needed. But generally, class 6 to 8 student, I teach English subject.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then could you please help me to improve my English speaking skills?
Actually, I am here for learning this language. I'm just like you. I'm a teacher. That means I'm not, fluent. I'm a teacher. It's my job, but fluency, it's a different skill. So that's why I am here for learning this language, for improving my speaking skill. So we are the same here. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but I'm not good in English. That's why I'm asking. Basically, I'm going to face interviews in the coming 1 month.
Yeah. But you sounds more, more confident in speaking in English, and you speak so very well.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I want to improve more. Actually, when I am in front of an interviewer, then I don't get words easily.
Oh, it happens. Actually,
That's the main problem.
it happens with everyone, and slowly it will remove when you do conversation with someone in front of a real person. So
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, that's what
definitely
I
you will
also
get some
realized.
confidence. And yes, if you are feeling like this, that means you are learning. We are the same. Just like I'm also feel very nervous when I talk to some person in English. So yes, I was the same. I felt the same when I was talking to someone. But
Okay.
I found like this is the feeling and it is natural.
Yeah, it's natural to everyone. It's
Yeah,
same as like everyone.
yeah. So tell me something about yourself. What do you want to become in future time? What is your goal, and how is your family? All the thing, if you want.
Okay. Okay, I'm assuming that you are my interviewer.
No, yes, you can assume because in this way you can easily improve your confidence level. And you said earlier that you feel low confident, but I feel you are, you sounds more natural.
Okay, I will try my best to
Okay.
get more confidence. Okay, hi Rita.
Yeah.
I am Sivakishore Reddy. I am from Pulvendra.
Hmm.
I completed my Bachelor's of Technology at Sri Vidyaniketa Engineering College in Tirupati in the field of Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
Hmm.
After that, I have joined in Vector India Institute to study a course on embedded systems. During this course, I have completed two mini projects. One is on time-based device control system. Another one is on phone book application
Okay.
with an user-friendly system.
Yeah.
And my short-term goal is to achieve a job in well-reputed company. And my long-term goal is to achieve a higher position in that same company. Thank you for asking.
Okay, so that's great. Actually, you have already prepared your answer. I seems like so many times you deliver your answer. It's true or not?
Yeah, it's true only.
Yeah, because you speaks like you have already prepared this answer in before time. But you
No,
speaks.
actually, the whole thing is not prepared. I prepared only the short introduction part is like that, no, in the starting part.
Okay. But yeah, it's great. Actually, you speaks too good. Um, yes,
Thank you.
I can say you can clear your interview.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, do you think about government job?
No. Oh, I don't like so government jobs.
Why?
Why? I don't know. But
There is some reason. Do you have some reason why you don't like government job? Because I am a government employee, so that's why I am asking this
okay.
question.
Why? I don't know. But I don't have interest in government jobs. But I'm
Okay.
more interested in corporate sector, like in this field, embedded systems field.
Okay. But there is a thing, like, most of the people are, saying this that if you have government job, then your life is secure. And
Yeah,
in private sector, there is some, ups and downs. Is it true or not?
yeah, it's true. But most of them means like our relatives are more likely they say like that only. Like
Okay.
government jobs are more secure and that all the things. But I don't have interest in that.
Okay, it happens. Actually, I am government teacher, and my husband is also in government sector. So that's why, and my relatives is also in government sector. So that's why I'm asking this question. And I have all the atmosphere related to government. So that's why. And there is a myth. I think it depends on the person, which kind of field the person want to choose. That's
Yeah,
it. Okay. So in private sector, do you feel more comfortable? It's true.
yeah,
Okay.
and also there is a part like salaries also not more in government jobs.
Okay.
It's true, right?
Okay. Actually, in my previous conversation, not today, but few days ago, when I using this platform, so I found a person here, and he was doing in railways. he was the employee in railways sector.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
he said that okay, I'm not satisfying my job because in current time I'm doing my current government job, but previously I was working in a private sector, and there I got so many respect, but here people don't give me respect. I am a loco pilot in railways, but in my private sector I was the manager, so I have so many employee in my under, so I got so many respect, but here I don't get respect. So actually this is the thing that I found, that the person was not satisfying his job, and he felt more comfortable in private sector. But uh, why he why did he I mean to say क्यों उसने अपनी जॉब छोड़ी वहाँ पे? I don't understand.
Okay.
Do you know Hindi language?
No, a little bit only.
Okay.
Not more good in Hindi.
Okay. So what is your native language?
My native language Telugu.
Okay, Telugu.
Yeah.
So
It is the more comfortable language in Telugu states.
yeah. I think first language English is the most speakable language all over the world. This is true.
Yeah.
Okay. Second
That's why
language
it's
I
more
don't.
important nowadays.
Yeah, nowadays it's very important. Second day I don't know, but third language which is more spoken all over the world, that is Hindi.
Yeah.
No. So
Yeah. Your language is Hindi.
yeah, my native language is Hindi.
Yeah, but mostly everyone prefers English only.
Yeah, everyone prefers English. If you know English, so that means you can easily live all over the country. You can survive. You
Yeah,
can
you
deliver
can
your
survive,
thoughts.
yeah.
You can understand what someone is trying to say, trying to give their thoughts. So yes, English is nowadays. English is very important. No one can deny it. But there are few people, they will say, okay, why learn this language? We should learn our matrabhasha. But it's not
Yeah.
true. There is, I think it's only excuse. It's only excuse. Every person, every people try to teach their student, their kids in a convent school, in a English medium school. Actually I am a teacher in a rural area, so there are so many families are living, and most of the families come from poor background.
Yeah.
But if they have little bit money, so they want to send their children to a convent school. When I asked why you have no money, then why you should you should not send your kids in a convent? Why you wasting your money? But
My parents are doing same thing only.
yeah, when I asked him why you send your son in a convent school, because ma'am, they speak in English. When I heard this, I thought, oh my god, they don't know some words, they don't know some sentence, but they know that okay, my son is speaking English. Okay, so yes, it was nice conversation with you, and now
Yeah.
I'm going to leave this conversation because I have some work. Thank you for doing conversation.
Okay, same to you. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. After doing conversation, you can give your feedback, and yes. Okay, there is a thing you can continue with practice again. Okay, so yes, you can do practice so many times with the help of this application. Okay, minimum 13 minutes one time it's required, and if you do more conversation yet, you can do. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.